Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a Walmart grocery haul. So if this is your first time ever viewing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking the time out to view this channel. So let's go ahead and jump right into this grocery haul so I could get this food up into the cupboards. And let me move my coffee because I am drinking pumpkin spice coffee. Starbucks is so good. First thing that I got was these Taipei chicken pot stickers, and this is like a big bag of these. My kiddos love this stuff. And does it say how big the bag is? That's crazy. It doesn't say. It usually does, but it looks like that. And then it comes with the sauces and everything with it. And those end up being... Okay, so also I got these great value fully cooked chicken strips with rib meat. This is a 1 pound bag. This ended up being for $8.26. So that's how much this costs for a 1 pound bag. Then I also got some broccoli cut, and this was like 77 cents or 86 cents. Then I got this. I love this. These are the bird eyes stir-fried veggies and sauce, Asian style. These are so good. I love to make these with like, I do them with like beef and noodles and stuff like that. Or sometimes I'll make it by itself. It's really good. Then I got this Pepperidge Farm Texas toast made with real garlic. This was $3.44. You get 8 slices. And then I got 2 bags of the fully cooked popcorn chicken. My kids love these. So got 2 bags of these. These were $7.44. And you get a 1 pound bag as well. Okay, so also got these great value 10 sticks, pancake and sausage on a stick. This is like the blueberry flavor. I was trying to find the price on the receipt. I think this was like $3 or $4 and some change. Got the great value strawberry and banana blends. We love these. We got 3 bags of these actually. And these are like now running $8 and some change. Also got 3 bags of these because we love smoothies in our house. These are the Dole Boosted Blends Protein with blueberries and bananas. So good. Got 3 of these. They're already stuffed in the freezer. These are so good. These are $11.77, but worth it because they taste just like a Jamba Juice or like a great protein smoothie. Is so good. And then this is what this looks like. This is like their everyday. They always have these at Walmart. It's a 3 pound bag. $8 isn't too bad. Okay, we also got these chicken and cheese quesadillas. You get 8 of them. They're pretty good. Like, I like them with the green sauce and the sour cream. They're pretty good. So, but I also like making my own homemade chicken quesadillas as well. And then that's what they look like. And the price point, I'll just end up putting on the screen for those. Stouffer's macaroni and cheese. We love these. These are the party size. We always get this. Sometimes we'll just eat the whole thing for dinner, or we'll use it as a slide, depending on what we're going to do with it. But this is so good. Love this. All right, also grabbed a Rising Crust Hawaiian style pizza. Okay, so also just to end the freezer portion of this food haul, we have 3 boxes of the cinnamon fresh toast sticks. We love these. These are the Walmart brand. They usually come in plain, but we always get the cinnamon ones. And then they also have like them in the bites. These run for $3.44. So grab 3 boxes of those. Then we also got, again, the Taipei chicken egg rolls again. So these are 8 of them. These are really good, and it comes with the sauce, but we always buy extra sauce ourselves. Got 2 boxes of these Crazy Cuisine marinated orange chickens. These are so good. We put it over rice with some of those Asian vegetables, and they're really good. Also got 2 bags of the takeout Foster Farm crispy wings. These are the classic buffalo style. And again, I'm going to put the prices up on the screen so that's a little bit easier for you guys to follow along and see. All right. Also for some meat, because we got a lot of meat already. So we just grabbed a couple things of meat. We got some catfish. These are U.S. farm raised catfish nuggets. These are like usually like $5 and some change. Then got a pack of some pork chops. And these end up being $12.47. And then also got a whole chicken. So I got that marinated. Actually got a 2-pack of that. That ended up being $14.31. So that's what that looks like. We love the whole chickens. We usually put it in our air fryer, in our oven, and it comes out so good. Okay, so now this is the refrigerator portion of my weekly grocery shopping. So got some more blueberries. These are the California Giant Blueberry Farm. All right, so then I was showing off these blueberries. These are so good. They're super sweet. They're just amazing. Love them. We use them for parfaits and smoothies, and then we've been doing a lot for strawberry blueberry like salad. We were copying it off of like the Wendy's salad, and also who also sells it that way that I know of is Albertsons, and it is so good. So we got a lot of blueberries and strawberries. So we got 2 packs of these strawberries. These are also really sweet. And again, I'll put the price point on the corner for you guys. And got 2 boxes of these, along with some oranges and some potatoes. So I'm prepping potatoes already. So I got a 5-pound bag of oranges. So we've been craving oranges, so we're gonna slice them up, eat them throughout the day or with breakfast or whatever I decide to cook with them. Also I got, okay, so then also got 2 bunches of bananas. So by Dole, we love bananas. So we use those for smoothies. We use them for just to eat or whatever. So I showed you all the fruit, vegetables. Oh no, I didn't. Also got 2 of these right here. These are the spring mix. They are organic by the Market Side, which these are really good. So I got 2 boxes of these. Again, I told you guys we keep eating those salads, and they're just so good. Like, they're expensive if you get them somewhere else, but really good if you make them at home. And I'll show you a picture in the corner. And then I got these. So this is a Cinnabon International Delight, 32 ounces. So good. So this is my 2nd bottle. Pumpkin spice. This year I'm already on my 4th bottle of creamer. We start getting pumpkin spice in our area like around like the end of June, July. So this is like my 4th bottle of pumpkin spice creamer. I love pumpkin spice creamer. That's actually what's in my coffee right now. And then Country Crock plant-based butter with olive oil. So good. I wish they sold this in a bigger container. So got one of those. Got the Country Crock original, and this is a big tube. You get a 45 ounce and 2 pounds, so a butter. And then got ciabatta Greek yogurt vanilla. This is like our favorite. So we got 2 of those. We use these for our smoothies, and then we use these for parfaits. Also got Thomas bagels. These are the 6 pre-sliced plain bagels. So we got those for breakfast. And then also, can't forget the cream cheese. So got the cream cheese. Let me go ahead, put these away, make room, and then we'll go for the last bit of the pantry stuff. Okay, so one thing I was excited about is their eggs went back on sale for $6.30. At one point, we were literally paying the price of an outfit at Walmart for the same cost of eggs when they raised up the price. The highest I've ever paid at Walmart for eggs was $38. And after I bought that one pack of eggs from them, the same box, everything, I said I wasn't gonna do it anymore. So after like 3 months of not buying eggs from Walmart, they finally dropped their prices back down to a normal price range. So this 60 count of eggs is now $6.30. So I love that. That's a great, great buy. My family and I, we love eggs, so we eat them all the time. And this works out for us, especially for that price. Okay, so moving on to this portion, this is all the, like the rest of the stuff, the pantry stuff. So got these, was running out of the lottery salt of seasoned salt and garlic salt. These are one of my two favorite go-to when it comes to a lot of my cooking. Seasoning for a lot of stuff. So I was running low on both, so needed to up on these buys. Again, I'll link those prices down below. Also, these are new. Well, they get them every year. So these are the Great Value pretzel dipping kits. So they had two different styles to choose from. This one has like ghost and like bats and stuff like that on there. And then this one has eyeballs. So they do come in a microwave container. These were $8.97. The reason why I grabbed them so early is because these sell out really fast once we get them in. So I was like, you know what, let's pick them up. And actually my husband's one who was like, hey, I know you like these every year, so he grabbed these. Also too, they had these, which are the graveyard brownie kits. These make up to 6 brownies. So this is just something that's going to be fun. We're going to do either for Halloween or right before Halloween. We got these chips. These are really good. These are the Flaming Hot Barbecue chips with Jason Tanum on them from the Celtics. And that's an 8-ounce bag. We needed to have some more water, so we liked the Alkaline Smart Water. We also like, it's a lot of waters we like, but we got this for right now. Got 2 bags of the Nature Valley granola, oats, and honey. We use these for smoothies and parfaits. Also grabbed these breakfast cereal packs. You get 8 of them. So you get Cheerios, Cinnamon Toast, Honey Nut Cheerios, and Lucky Charms. Also, these cookies from Walmart are so good, like with the icy cup of milk. So we picked out a pack of these. Got some Pop-Tarts, which the kiddos started eating already. So we got the 16 pack. This is the value pack of the frosted strawberry ones. And then this pack, they already was going through it. These are the frosted s'mores. They really like these. And then we got some apple juices, 2 of these, some Crystal Geyser waters, and yeah, that's it. This will last us about a week worth for a family of 6. Thank you so much for joining us in this grocery haul from Walmart. Next time I want to do a Winco haul because I know the prices are a little bit better. I get more bang for my buck at Winco, and yeah, Walmart's prices are just a little too high in my liking. But when it comes to stuff like this, I do like purchasing stuff like this. I also like getting my coffee from Walmart, and if they keep their egg prices at the $6.30, then they're going to be my favorite person when it comes to buying my favorite food, eggs. So that is it. So thank you guys so much for joining me in this grocery haul. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed and awesome day, and see you guys real soon.